Alright, so we're prank calling McDonald's. This is number 2. It should be the same guy. It's the same time that we did last time. Yeah, I got a new haircut. It really sucks, but whatever.
Yo, asshole, remember me?
No.
I called last week asking for a Big Mac and you hung up on me?
No.
Nope. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Well, I'm called back this time because I want my Big Mac. Is that alright?
No.
That's not alright? You can't give me my Big Mac?
Alright,
No, 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 no!
Did he hang up?
Yeah, he did.
I'm gonna call him.
No, it's okay.
No,
just end it. Just end it. It's getting.
Hold on.
We're overdoing it. We're overdoing it.
I want to do it one time.
We're overdoing it. How? We play something else.
Alright.
We're overdoing it.